Hey everyone, and welcome back. Today's video is another unboxing of ours. We're going to be doing our Birchbox unboxing for the month of May. For those of you guys who are newbies to my channel, make sure to subscribe before you guys head out. And if you guys are already subscribed, well, thank you very much for watching. So today we're going to be doing our unboxing. So if you guys want to know all about Birchbox and all that good stuff, I'll have all that information linked down below. Otherwise, let's get to it. So I believe this is my third month having Birchbox, and the first month was not very good. Last month, I want to say it was okay. It was pretty decent. So we're going to definitely figure out what's going on with this month. As you guys can see, the box is yellow on the back, and then it's gray. So the very first thing I see in here is the Beauty Protector Protect and Detangle Leave-In Conditioner. Weirdly enough, I'm actually super excited to get this. I literally just ran out of my It's a 10 and my keratin treatment stuff from Healthy Sexy Hair, so I have nothing, and I can definitely feel it in my hair. So this is going to be an instant use, like the next time I take a shower. Well, not the next time I take a shower, but the next time I wash my hair, you know what I mean? So very actually excited to get this. The next thing I have in here is by Kula, and this here is the Golden Organic BB Cream. Just by looking at the packaging, I already knew that it was going to have some sort of a tint. This is a very orange tinted for me, but you actually can't see it, so this might work. If you guys are wondering, I've been trying to take off this liquid lipstick. This here is from our BoxyCharm, and it will not come off, you guys, and I have been scrapping. I have been scrubbing my hands, but I mean, I don't know. I can see, can you guys see it? Like, I can't see it very well, but I can see that it gives some sort of like a peachy tint to it. I don't know. We're definitely going to try it. My other concern with BB creams is that I feel like sometimes they can get really oily, and then you try to set them and it just becomes a hot mess. That's my other issue with BB creams, so I'm a little nervous. The next thing I have here is by Balance Me Natural Skincare, and this here is a congested skin serum. Oh, what? An on-the-spot soothing gel designed to diminish blemishes, calm inflammation without causing dryness or irritation. We're going to try this tonight. I'm going to try this. I've mentioned this a few times to you guys, but I am trying so much skincare here this past month that we're going to do like an entire skincare faves and unfaves for this month coming up. So keep an eye out. The next thing I have in here is by LOC. I got a liquid shimmer shadow, and this here is in the shade Eclipse. This is really, really pretty, you guys. Oh, shit. Oh, maybe that does work. Whoa. Well, I gotta do the other side, otherwise I'm gonna look stupid, right? Wow. Holy moly. That's impressive, you guys. I was not expecting that. Let me be completely honest with you guys. And then the very last thing I have in here is by Stila. This here is the Stay All Day Liquid Lipstick, and this is in the shade Beso, which I actually have a sample size of this. I rarely ever use it. Just a little too bright for me, so I'm definitely going to put this aside in my giveaway box to give away, but still a beautiful, beautiful color. I will say that the box is okay. Obviously not my favorite box, and just with the past couple of months, you guys, I'm not sure how much longer I'm going to keep Birchbox. Don't get me wrong. I mean, it's fun to do these unboxings, but I don't know. I'm not like super wowed like I am with some of my other unboxings. So anywho, that's just my thoughts on this box so far. We'll still keep it around. I think one more month I'm going to do it, and if it's like a kind of a thing, I might just get rid of it. So I hope you have a wonderful rest of your evening, and I will see you guys all in my next video. Bye.